Is your refrigerator water pitcher leaking and leaving puddles every time you pour a glass of water? A thin factory seal inside the pitcher assembly could be causing constant drips and poor performance. Welcome to HnK Parts. In this video, we'll show you how to fix your leaking water pitcher assembly and what components to check to ensure a tight, mess-free seal. The water pitcher case assembly is located inside the refrigerator compartment, specifically housed within the beverage center found behind the outer panel of the left side door. This part acts as the primary docking station, ensuring the pitcher is chilled and automatically refilled by the refrigerator's internal system. The pitcher assembly often fails because the factory gasket on the lid is not thick enough to create an airtight seal with the pitcher. This design flaw allows water to seep through the gap whenever the pitcher is tilted, causing it to drip during use. A properly sealed pitcher is essential because it maintains a vacuum-like environment that prevents spills and ensures the automatic refill feature functions without overflow. Before starting repairs, unplug the refrigerator and clear the water area. Firstly, remove the pitcher from its docking station and pull the lid off. To address the seal, you will need a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife and a size 64 rubber band, 3.5 by 1/4 inches. Using your flathead screwdriver or butter knife, gently separate the gasket from the lid, taking care not to damage or tear the material. Once removed, stretch the size 64 rubber bands around the lid and seat it directly into the groove where the gasket normally sits. Ensure the rubber band is lying completely flat and is not bound or twisted. This rubber band acts as a spacer, forcing the gasket to seat farther out and allowing for a much tighter fit against the pitcher walls. Next, reinstall the gasket by aligning it so that its shape mirrors the shape of the lid. Stretch the gasket back over the lid so that it seats firmly on top of the rubber band. Finally, fill the pitcher with water, press the lid back into place, and perform a test pour to ensure the leak is resolved. If all adjustments are made but your pitcher is still leaking, or if the pitcher assembly itself is cracked, the unit may need to be replaced. Check the link in the description to find the correct replacement water pitcher assembly for your refrigerator. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit HnKParts.com. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected by following us on social media for more updates, repair guides, and product support. Thanks for watching.